guys, and welcome back. The product I'm reviewing today is the UMI-DIGI BTS8 Bluetooth speaker, and it arrived quite well presented in this box. And although there was very little information documented on the box, we can see that it was a 2300 mAh battery, runs off Bluetooth version 4.0 and has an output of 10 watts. First impressions were of a good quality product that looks smaller than I expected in terms of depth, which was disappointing. And now I will show you a quick size comparison. The design was interesting, but a bit too unusual for my liking. Next up is the design. I didn't like how it had only 3 awkwardly positioned control buttons on the top, and how the power switch and ports didn't have a cover. But they were only minor niggles. But what I did like was that it had 4 feet on the bottom to protect the main body and to keep it stable on a flat surface, and how it came with a free carry bag. It's nice and soft. It's got a drawstring top. And how it had a 3-month exchange and a 2-year warranty, even though it doesn't say it in the manual, but it does say it on the product description page. Which you very rarely get with budget Bluetooth speakers. Now, what mattered the most, though, was the sound quality. So let's hear what that was like. So that's the end of the review, guys. In summary, the product was no doubt good quality and had an interesting design. And although it came with a 2-year warranty and a free carry bag, the sound anomalies when playing music dragged its rating down. And it only just got a 7 out of 10 in the end, and therefore won't be getting a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to add them to the comment box. If you felt the review was helpful in any way, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.